In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Asana. Whether you're trying to get a closer look at project details or simply want to adjust your view for better readability, knowing how to control the zoom on your Asana interface can be a game changer for productivity. Let's dive in. When you first log in, you'll find yourself on your Asana homepage. Here, all your projects, tasks, and teams are at your fingertips. But today, our focus is on mastering those zoom controls to optimize your viewing experience. This can be especially useful when you're juggling multiple assignments or overseeing a large team, as it lets you tailor your interface viewing to exactly what you need to focus on at the moment. To zoom in on Asana using your keyboard and mouse, you'll want to start by holding down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. While maintaining pressure on this key, move your mouse's scroll wheel upwards. Doing this will zoom in on the screen, making every element larger and easier to see. This technique is particularly handy when you're dealing with tiny text and icons, and you need them to stand out more prominently. Alternatively, if you wish to zoom out, you'll need to maintain your hold on the Ctrl key, but this time, scroll your mouse wheel downwards. This action will reduce the size of the screen elements, offering a broader view of your dashboard. Zooming out is incredibly helpful to avoid excessive scrolling, both horizontally and vertically, when you need to take in more information at a glance. Another method you might find convenient involves using keyboard shortcuts, which can be faster for some users. For zooming in, press the Ctrl key along with the plus sign key. It's an instant way to magnify your view, especially useful when you're scrutinizing project details that require more attention. If you want to zoom out, hit the Ctrl key along with the minus sign key. This is equally quick and lets you step back to see the bigger picture. Essential when juggling multiple tasks or overseeing a large project. These zoom functions are a great skill to master since they aren't limited to Asana. You'll find them useful across most web applications, making it a handy tip for general web browsing. Keep these in mind, especially if you're working on a high-resolution display where text might otherwise seem a bit too small for comfort. And there you have it. You've grasped how to efficiently manage zoom settings in Asana. These simple adjustments can remarkably improve your workflow, making tasks more visible and reducing the strain on your eyes during those extended work sessions. So, go ahead and try it out. You might just find that this small tweak can make a big impact on your productivity and comfort. Happy zooming,